ChefLorious here. We are trying something new and I'm super excited. You know, I'm always cooking and all that kind of stuff, but I have things I love, my favorite things. So I decided to start sharing my favorite things. So this is the first time we're doing it. Y'all pray we are able to stay consistent, but I'm going to share with you my favorite things from the month of June. All right, here we go. First things first. This is a food channel, right? Ice cream. You guys, I rediscovered, and I'm saying rediscovered, well, maybe I should say discovered, 3-ingredient ice cream, no churn ice cream. I love making homemade ice cream, and I've seen this before, and I think I've done it. I don't know, but I made some no churn ice cream with 3 simple ingredients: whipped cream, condensed milk, and vanilla flavoring, and it was amazing. And then I just did a bunch of add-ons. It's so cool. There's gonna be a video out real soon with that on it, so you'll get to see like the details of it. But this was like, oh my God, it was so good. And the kids loved it, and it was done in like 4 hours. Okay, love that, no churn ice cream. Next thing that I love this month, I discovered how to make, well, I keep saying discovered, you guys, but okay, moving on. I made a delicious tortellini pasta salad. It was amazing. And what I think what set it off was I did it with a homemade Caesar dressing, and I've never made Caesar dressing before. Again, video coming, but when I did the video, I kind of messed up a little bit on some things, so I'm gonna see if I can salvage it. Otherwise, I'll just have to make it again. But I'm telling you, this salad was amazing. It was refreshing. It was filling. By using the cheese tortellini, it had really good protein content, so I was full. And the dressing was just OMG. Okay, that was awesome. Okay, so those are a couple food things, right? Next, I found this. I have it actually by me. This gold cup. The company is called Zach. And I know you're like, why is a cup one of your favorite things, Lori? I'm going to tell you why. Because it insulates and keeps everything cold or hot. And I know you're like, cups have been doing that for years. Yes, they have. But this one does it in such a way, it's kind of like the Yeti cup. There's no condensation, and it's huge. It's like 16 ounces, I think, or almost 20. So when I'm having said pasta salad, previous favorite thing, I can fill this up with like a really nice beverage that will stay cool or stay hot. It's wonderful. I love it because I can have it all around the house with me and I don't get rings on furniture. You know, that's like the worst. I know. Okay, so that was cool. Okay, next thing. Yes, I have a list I'm looking at because I can't remember everything. Next thing was Vignette in my house. I created this little vignette, this one that I'm sitting in front of. I actually did it for, we had a photo shoot this month, and I was trying to kind of set up some areas a little different in the house, and I fell in love with this. The little blessed symbol, see, opposites, you know, the little blessed symbol and the flower, and I just loved it so much. When I looked at it, I was like, oh my God, and it just made me happy. So every time I come downstairs now or come into the kitchen area and I see it, it just brings a smile to my face. Okay, all right, next thing. I was shopping, again, said photo shoot, at the store At Home. You guys know that store? And I saw these beautiful mugs. Maddie and I were in line, and they said all these amazing things like calm and optimist and escape and happiness. And I love the detailing. I love details, right? The gold handles on them, they're so elegant looking and they're nice and tall. I love these. So I think I've taken a couple pictures, 1 or 2 with them out, a couple posts, but they made my heart feel good. They made me happy. And I can put a pretty little tea in them and be sipping, and I'm telling you, I'm all about the things that make me feel happy, and that's why it's one of my favorite things for the month. Duh. All right, hold on, let me check the list. Okay, entertainment. I love to binge watch TV. I don't have time to binge watch TV, but late at night, I'm a night person. When I'm working and doing stuff, I do get into binging. Okay, so I found a new show this month. My husband and I watched it. It's called The Startup. It was on Netflix. I don't think it's originally a Netflix show, but it was on Netflix this month. 3 seasons. Oh my God. We didn't know what to expect. We were like, oh, okay, let's just see. It was captivating. It's about these 3 people. One is the son of a criminal. His dad's like a money launderer, and this girl who's an amazing tech coder, and this guy who's the head of a Haitian gang. the three of them get together and start a company, and it's crazy. But it's not just about the one company they started. It's kind of a journey of the whole thing, and it totally takes a turn you wouldn't expect. It's amazing. We watched all 3 seasons in a couple of weeks because it was just that good. So I recommend the startup. You can watch it while eating the ice cream or the pasta salad and drinking out of your big cup. See? Okay, winner, winner. All right, now. Yes, I glanced at my list. I'm 48. I can't remember everything. Okay, I want to talk about some of my fashion faves for the month. This month was really good. I got outside of my comfort zone. I expanded this month. I did blue nail polish. I don't remember ever wearing, well, okay, that's not true. I remember one time wearing light blue nail polish. It was right before Aiden was born. I think the last pedicure I got was light blue because I knew it was a boy. But this was the first time, like, for no specific reason, I actually got a blue pedicure, and I loved it. I was nervous and scared about it, but oh my God, it was so much fun to have light blue nails and light blue toenails, and I felt like, okay, I could do this some more. And it went with a lot of things. I was kind of shocked, right? Okay, that was fun. I know it's silly and it's small, but hey, I'm just sharing with you where I am. That was my favorite thing. Okay, guys. So my next thing was this amazing zebra dress. I think it's a zebra dress. Is it a zebra dress? Anyway, this animal dress that I found, I loved it. I bought it from a new company that a new company for me that I found on Instagram. And when the dress came, I was so happy. You know, sometimes you order stuff online, you don't know quite how it's gonna fit and everything. You look at the size chart, but your fingers are crossed. This dress was perfect, and it's so cool and comfortable, but yet so stylish. I love it. I wear it when I'm running around town some days, well, I don't run around town that much. We're still slightly COVID. Well, okay, anyway, I wear it when I'm doing simple stuff. I love it. It's super cool, and I just think it's so cute and age appropriate. Bonus. Okay, all right, next thing I found this month. Have you guys seen the Uggs, like slippers? I've been seeing them for the longest, but I broke down this month and bought myself a pair. OMG, another OMG moment. They are so comfortable and cute. And then I thought they might be hot because they're fuzzy, you know, when it's summer. No, not even that situation. Now, I don't wear mine outside. Some people wear them out as shoes. I wear them around the house because I stand up a lot. I'm cooking a lot, so, you know, my feet need support. These are amazing, and I just feel so doggone cute when I have them on. You know, I feel like, oh, cute, I got my Uggs on. You know, they're just, okay. I don't know why I'm like this, but it's the way the Lord made me, so I'm embracing it. Okay, I'm almost done, you guys. We only got, one more. This is it. Okay, I looked up. I think this is my favorite thing of the month of June. I'm not sure, but it is at this moment. I found the most amazing sparkle glasses. Hold on, I actually have them here. I think I got a picture of them. I hope I gave a picture. Put up, but wait. These glasses are not for seeing. They are for being seen. Hello? I'm in love with these. Now, you can't wear them anywhere because, you know, the whole eye part, you can't see, okay? These are purely a fashion statement, but you can do this number right here. You know what I'm saying? And I just think they're so cute. They have the silver, they have them in pink, and I think they have like a charcoal or a black color. But I just think these are adorable. Aren't they? I mean, they're so, look, and then you can even, look at that. Y'all see me? Y'all see me? Okay, I know I'm crazy, but that's why you're watching me, because I'm crazy and you're crazy and we crazy together. All right, fam, have a wonderful day. I hope you visit some of the links down there and just, you know, go shopping and see what you can find. See if you like something. I will see you for more cooking videos very soon, but I will also see you next month for my favorite things of July. All right, guys, love you. Happy cooking.